yes, oh yes, oh yes. Be it known to all concerned that the weekly market pipe custom, long established in this town, is declared open, and all persons may wilfully buy from the stalls thereof. God save the Queen.
The Cultural Society here is going to get you a rather splendid new costume now to wear as town crier. Do you think you're going to be happy in it?
Yes, thank you, yes. Oh, yes, thank you very much. They've been very good, yes.
You don't think that you're going to be a little bit of a public peep show walking around
well,
in
no,
this
we
getup?
also be fair straight, and that's the end to it, yes, yes. You all know the old town crier. I'm very, very pleased to see him.
You don't feel at all self-conscious about walking around
I don't
in
feel very big, nothing of that, no.
You've been town crier here now for 40 years,
Yes,
Mr.
yeah,
Howell.
yeah.
You must have announced some very important and interesting events in that time. What
Well,
are the most
our
important
show,
of these?
our show. Any water repairs or no shortage of water. Oh, yes. On the refuse collection, they alter that every now and again. Oh, yes. Oh, the town is altering now. It's more efficient now than it was, an old horse and cart. Coming down here, just down here, they used to have carts and used to unload the poultry and put them on the side of the wall here. I used to collect a penny a basket off them. They come over from Radnorshire.
Mm-hmm.
I give them a ticket.
What's the most important event that you've had to proclaim to the people here, what do you think?
Well, there's nothing very much important. It goes on just the same. It goes on, it comes and goes. There's still birds of passage about. They're here, there, and everywhere.